namhlanje emasontweni bagqoka omunye umtswiphi uzubona ubungunu uphumele ngaphandle amabhele aphumele ngaphandle ama-see-through but the-fashion abubeka isihogo sisesontweni namhlanje ama-prostitute le labathengisa umzini they're better than ama-prostitute asesontweni ngoba lawa ma-spiritual people izifebe zakamoja esithi bekutshele nawugqoka ibhru according to the Bible uyisifebe. And I don't apologize for it. Yes. Ubheka namhlanje amadoda laba abafazi nabagqoka ibhruku ifashion manje indoda nakagqoka ironko bazoda umhlolo yenza lento le kodwa wena umhlolo. Hallelujah. Amagama amabhruku nomtswiphi bawajustifyile ebafazini bangabangcono bani indoda ifike ihajini igqoka ironko ihambe la ubhutsisi bazothi yasihlolela mara uqale wahlola lalela before uyindoda kwawumfazi aningizwa before kuba nama-gay kwaba nama-lesbian yonke lento iqale ebafazini you know why ngoba lithi ibhayibheli bayisitshe sibuthakathaka. That's why manje usathane ubafake kupulpit waba-ordena watilindana ibandla. That's why umfazi nakashumayela esontweni lelo bandla lelo has a lesbian spirit awunyiswa ngoba lithi ibhayibheli ibandla it's a she uNkulunkulu is a he. So if ibandla it's a she uNkulunkulu is a he umfazi nakashumayela it's a she having intercourse intimacy spiritual with another she it's a lesbian spirit esirula le bandla langabe umfazi upasta aningizwa. As umpostoli Paul angavuka emathuneni abone lento esiyenzayo sithi siyakholwa angathi ngicela ukubuyela emathuneni uhlolo lento eyibona lazange ishishe abomama abadala nabangasukuma babona abafazi ngendlela abagqoka ngabo bangathi abogogo abadala ngicela ukubuyela emathuneni lento engibuya la kusinto ngiyayishiya emathuneni kungcono nale nonsense engiyibona la dabanga ngathi umuntu ngabuyela emathuneni ngiyolala ngiyorelax ngibona lo mhlolo. I mean now me experiences ugqoka umtswiphi and le bhruku olifaka uyalifosta nawe uyabona ufuna nokudabuka uyabona ufudose le bhruku ulibone hlale uzibheke esipilini ube so udani yabangena namhlanje ewena sathane uyenze sure ukuthi lamabele uyenze sure ukuthi amahlibisha awavela kuvele nalelanda lalela abantu abaposela babona amabele bayithu wakho kosela kube yibhebi oyinika ibisi phinde libonwe nendoda yakho hayi ukuthi wena uzonature zokhomba umuntu ukuthi njani uyabona ukuthi you are useless and it that was busy with born again you are useless. Let this black boy tell you akatshela lo mnyamana this on the scoff this virus this nuts a fromens moet aangaan en optree soos 'n fromens mtolo namshani yadatswa ngintshali ngikunanshada bekani background laba ngoba nabaloya uyothatha labaloya khona dosisa isupporta nasidala uzoqala ukuloya yoqala ngawe wena silima kuloye bese akudise bese akenza izongi bese yaqhubeka check the background kwangela endlini lakhuluma nobaba bakunjani umfazi hayi ngikhona babadala ngagcina oyaya umangele uma ubhekile abakwazi nokukhipha igama yemanga lekenzekani what is ting umfazi uya lo mfazi uyahlala nobaba uyisuma uyenza itiya uyenza namagugu tekutolo nithi nobaba hayi ufanele nefasikode hayi yonke into akayenza kuyethu nomali nakukhwehlela mhlambe uyabona ukuthi udinga mhlambe ithishu uye etoilet ulethe ithishu yonke into yenza uye uthatha itray ugeza izitsha wena mfazi udela uzanga kulo mfazi mara ubheke emehlweni usekulo baba mara yena uye oyenza amachoza nithi ubaba ku-wrong nakenza lo thina ekhaya basifundisa lokupheka besukuyenza mara there's a different abantu nabazovashula ubaba kwakho wena umenze amasini abubheke emakhaya amaningi labo baba bahlale baso or bafaka ikorobero nabalungile don't understand what's going on. It's a shame. It's a shame. Batotobele, it's true. It's a shame. Khona into engaseranti lapha. Abantu nabangena and you have such a husband mama doing it, something is wrong. Something is wrong. It's a shame. And whatever is wrong will come up one day. Yeah.